We're going to take a look at the iPhone's Passbook application. If we open our Passbook app, here we can see that Passbook is the simplest way to get all of our passes in one place. We can add boarding passes, movie tickets, store cards, and coupons. Currently we don't have anything in our Passbook, so if we hit on the App Store, Passbook will take us into the iPhone's App Store and we can see all the applications that we have for Passbook. If we scroll through them, we can see currently here's the selection of Passbook applications that we have. More are being added all the time, so all we have to do is keep a lookout for our favorite ones. We're going to take a look at Targets. We're going to install the application. We're going to come out to our home screen, and here we can see that Target's currently installing. If we open Target once it's done, we can see Target wants to use our location. They like to send us push notifications. And then if we click on Target's main app, we can see coupons can be added to our Passbook. So if we want, we can start saving. All we have to do is sign up for the coupons. Now it says now that we've signed up for it, we're going to receive a text message with a link. So if we go to our texts, we can see that we've gotten one from Target. If we follow this link, it'll take us back into Target application, and we can see here's our mobile coupons. Now we can scroll down and we can see what the coupons incorporate with. And if we scroll all the way to the bottom, we can see that we can add to Passbook. Now if we tap on Add to Passbook, it'll get our pass. We can see what our pass is going to look like. We can tap on the info in the bottom corner. We can see that it's associated with the Target application. Then we have automatic updates on. We can show on our lock screen. We have a barcode number. We can see when our coupon expires and instructions on how to redeem the coupon and instructions for the cashiers. And we can even see what the coupon offers right in our Passbook. When we're ready to, all we have to do is press Add, and the coupon will be added to our Passbook. And if we open our Passbook, we can now see that our Target coupon has been added, and we can start using this coupon with our Passbook. If we're done with the coupon, all we have to do is tap Information, and we can press Delete, and it will delete this coupon from our Passbook. And once it's deleted from Passbook, none of our information is stored.